Oh, hello, music people around the world. I'm filming from my iPhone and I cannot turn the camera back. I know my setting looks like crap. I bought these speakers. Okay, the Edifiers R1700BT Friday, and we are Tuesday. And I've been testing those. My old amp died on me, so here it is, my old Pioneer crappy amp. And I was running this amp with my nice Bose 201s, which I was used to the sound, like a rich sound. Now, with these edifiers, I'm not too used to the extra clear, but I don't know how to say it. I've been watching a couple of channels. I really like the way the CheapAudioGuy talks about his speakers. And now I was wondering, if I should buy the Elacs. I didn't want to spend like a large amount of money. I was also tired of the wiring all over the place, as you can see. Well, now I just put them there. This receiver used to be in my computer room, which I bought a new desk and, make it more, more tidy place. And yeah, so my receiver was on this. And as you can see, I'm running with a Mac Mini. It's an i7. And it's very confusing just watching videos and trying to, make a sense of what I need. Do I go with like a DAC amp? Which one do I take? Now the Elacs use a large amount of power. I've seen probably a good amp on sale, like an amp like this, which has Bluetooth. Now I heard that the Elacs were also on the bright side. I have problems with sibilance. My ear really, these are like they're to the limit. Now I want, as you can see, I live in an apartment, a nice apartment. It's an open space, with the kitchen and the living room. So my Bose had no problem spreading the whole sound, for, if I have a party, if it's like Christmas or, having some sort of a party. I will, buy some stands eventually there. I've seen some. I'm in that, buying, researching process. And now I will make you listen to the edifiers. With my iPhone, it should sound pretty good. And but yeah, I'm wondering. I'm still wondering if I should return those to buy maybe the Elacs or the Mika, and buy an amp or a DAC amp. I really like the fact that they're amplified speakers. That was the first initial draw to these speakers, but I'm a girl who used to collect vinyl, so, and I also am a singer, but not a professional one, so sound is really important to me. I do have a lot of music, even though I don't collect FLAC, but yeah, sound is still important to me. So let's go. Sorry for the babbling. I'm a French Canadian that went to English school, so if you hear an accent, that's why I live in Quebec. Okay, so here we go. Let's try this. Oh, I'm listening to, sorry, I'm listening to this really cool channel. It's AQ Radio. And now I'm listening to 70s. Okay, so now we're going to be listening to Starship. Nothing's going to stop us now. Okay, let's try this. The problem is that they don't go, when I go too loud, you know, to fill up the room. I know they're like more like front listening kind of speakers. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I'll put some volume on. Gonna back up. See, that's where, you know. See, I don't find the sound very nice on. They're a little harsh and bright. And presently, you know, I had these, you know, to block the tweeters. I tried that. Now the settings are like, I have the treble in the middle and a little bit more bass. So, in lower volumes, they're not so bad. Okay. Now if I put a bit more volume. Okay, this song is from the 80s and it's a little brighter song. Let's try something. Sorry, I'm just like what if I put classic rock 72, 77? Let's try that. See what comes out. Oh, Kansas. That's great. Point of no return. Yeah, I like that. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, with the violins and everything with Kansas. Okay, let's try this. The cymbal, the noise. They say the sea turns so dark that you know it's time to see the sign. They say the demon's guard. Do I put more bass? Get back here. Oh, I love this song. But it's a little harsh for me. Oh, I love this part. Needs you. Sorry. Loves you. Okay. Sorry you can't see my face. Okay, so now. Okay. They're not exactly to my taste. They're not bad speakers. they're just not exactly what I'm in need, because sometimes I want my speakers, you know, I usually put one over here in the kitchen and I put one in the corner over there. And I have like, it fills the room here, you know, if I have a party, we're dancing over here. This is where the party is. It's not over there, it's here. So yeah, that's my issue. So I was wondering if the Elac would be a good choice for me, or do I keep my Bose and just get a receiver and still be stuck with the stupid wires? I could get myself like, you know, more smaller speakers for the computer, and yeah. So anyway, I want your advice, people. Sorry for the weird video here. Need your help. All right, thank you very much, and have yourself a beautiful day.